how to install Ubuntu on Windows 11. So in order to install Ubuntu on your Windows 11, you need to enable certain features on Windows. So for that, just go to Windows and type turn Windows features on or off. And from here, scroll it down and make sure that you enable the Windows Subsystem for Linux and click on OK. And after that, you need to restart your PC. And after this, you need to go to your web browser. And from there, search download Linux kernel update package. Go to Microsoft's website. And from there, directly go to step 4 and download the kernel package. Just double click on the package and it will be installed on your computer. And after that, you need to go to Microsoft Store, open the store, here search for Ubuntu, tap on Git, and after a while, the Ubuntu would be installed and you would be able to download Ubuntu on Windows 11. So if you find this tutorial helpful, subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.